welcome back to our channel. Today we have a shooting 35mm in a medium format camera video, which is the first time we've ever actually shot that.
So we're gonna explain to you how we loaded it up. We did it in my Mamiya RB67. We'll explain how we load the camera, what we used, and how it turned out. It came out pretty cool. So we hope you guys like it, and we hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, how we doing? Today we have a fun little project that we're gonna start. Here we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot this roll here through the Mamiya RB67, and I don't have any of the actual fancy little plastic ones, so my dad and I made these little adapter kits that'll go right into the where the normal 120 spool would go, and will fit into the 35mm roll. Let's go ahead and get started. What we already did is this is gonna be our leader. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this off so I can get, all I need right now is the back. So, okay, I'm gonna open up the film. So this is Kodak Ultramax 400, 24 exposures. So I'm not really sure how many shots we're gonna get out of this, so we'll just have to see how it goes. So the emulsion needs to be this way because it wraps around the back of this, and it gets exposed from this plate through where the dark slide is. So we'll make sure we get that right. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape this leader so I don't waste any of these shots. And yeah, I'm gonna do it just like that. Same way, same everything. And this will just pull it right on there. And this is our first time doing this, so it's gonna be very experimental. So we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna just line it up to make sure that it's on here straight. Okay. That looks good. Obviously we want this to be on here straight, so we shoot the roll correctly. Okay, so I'm gonna cut off this slack, or this leader here, because this is gonna be our new leader. I'm gonna tape it down. Tape that down. And obviously, if you were doing this, you don't have to do all this. This is just to get more shots out of the roll. Maybe we should have just gotten a 36 roll, but didn't really think about it, so. Okay, so that's my leader. Now, we're gonna install the things. So this is gonna be on the top. Okay, this is gonna be on the bottom. And I'll plug them right into where the 120 would normally go. Okay, so once again, emulsion side is gonna be this side because it's gonna take the photo like that. Okay, this thing is very slippery, so it'll try to sneak out. Let's do this, I'm gonna hold this down so that way it doesn't slip out. Okay, there we go. Okay, now that it's in there correctly, this film is on here securely, we're good to go. And so when we finish this, I'm just gonna take this out in the dark bag, so that way there's no chance, because obviously it's not gonna wind into a 120 paper. It's just gonna obviously wind onto this loosely. So now I'm gonna plug it back in. So the only thing is the counter, which is actually a good thing, isn't counting. So it's not gonna tell me start because it doesn't realize there's film in here. The only thing is not gonna count, which is fine. We'll obviously be able to tell how many photos we get at the end, but originally I thought that we were gonna have to make the leader longer because we thought it was gonna have to go all the way to start, and we were preparing to have to waste all that film winding it. We tested it earlier with our dummy roll, and it won't go to 1, it'll just stay on start. It'll work out. Now we just shoot from here, and we just make sure we wind it every time, otherwise we're gonna double expose. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully the frame stays on there straight, and we get some cool photos.
Rest in peace to Kearney Mesa Bowl. Jake and I actually met here 2 years ago. So 2 years ago on April 12th. This is where we met, and it is closed now, sadly. So here's our final photo.
Long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.